Alright guys, so today we are making a ribbon box, which is on page 27 of paper Sloyd. So for this one, you're going to need a piece of paper that's 9 by 11.5 inches, and that is bigger than your average size of paper. This is an average size of paper, and this is 9 by 11.5. So if you have any of these like big mixed media notebooks around, this one says 9 by 12. You can use that. Mine still has a little bit of like the tear. You can see the little dots from the tear on it, but we're just gonna go with it and make it work. Let's see, I'm gonna put that at the top just in case it has to come off. So let's make a ribbon box. So we're going to place dots in the top and bottom at 1/2, 2.5, 9, and 11. 1/2, 2.5, 9, and 11. 1/2, 2.5, 9, and 11. So there we go. Now we're going to draw lines. So 1/2, 2.5, 9, and 11. All right. Now we're going to place dots on the left and right at 1, 3, 5, and 7. So I've got my ruler starting with the 1 at the top. I think that's what you're supposed to do. 1, 3, 5, and 7. 1, 3, 5, and 7. And we're going to draw lines. Now we're going to replace dots on the top at 3, 3.5, 8, and 8.5. Let's see. 3, 3.5, 8, 8.5. Third, vertical lines. No, these are the horizontal. So second and third vertical lines. We're going to place dots at 1/2. So right there, and now we're going to draw slanting lines. So from that to there, and that to there. I think that's how you do it. Place dots on the first and second horizontal lines at 2 and 9.5. Two and 9.5. Draw lines. Place dots on these lines at 1/2 and 1.5. Draw to the corners. Okay. Place dots on left and right at 5.5. Hold the ruler on these dots and draw a line across the second and fourth spaces. Okay. Whoops, that one came out crooked. Whatever. Place dots on this line at 1, 2, 9.5, and 10.5. And then we're going to draw lines to the corners. Okay. Place dots on the left and right at 4.5. Draw lines to the corners. 4.5. Oh, that was where I was supposed to go up there. I guess I didn't do it exactly right. My bad. There we go. 4.5. That one's pretty much right. Okay. Cut, fold, and paste the laps inside. Okay, so we're gonna cut this off and this off on this side, and then we're gonna cut all of this. Oops, not that, not this. So we're not cutting that. I have made a mistake. All right. So just this. Okay. Okay, so here we have it. I'm going to put it like this, and we're going to fold it up. I found some Elmer's Glue All multi-purpose glue, extra strong formula. I'm going to see if this works better than Elmer's school glue. I hope it does. All right, so we're going to paste the laps inside so it goes up like this. a second. This one does work a little better. Not coming apart right away. Come on. Right. And this one goes in like this. And apparently in the 1900s you could put rolls of ribbon in this. I don't have any ribbon, so you could put tape in there. And put some tape on it. To help my poor Elmer's glue. If you guys know of a good solid glue that I could get at Hobby Lobby or Michael's or some kind of Amazon, please leave so in the comments. I used to have this really strong glue and from when I was in college, and I don't know where it went. I think one of my kids absconded with it. There we go. There is your ribbon box.